Welcome back. This is CA The Life, breaking down the book, The Life, How to Market Yourself to Women. This episode is episode 3. We're going to be reviewing chapter 3 on business cards. Yes, business cards. Marketing yourself to women, that is big business. Marketing is sales. Dating is sales. When you consider marketing yourself to women, then you need to be a businessman, you need to be a salesman, so you need a business card. So we'll be talking about business cards today, very exciting subject. Marketing yourself to women is big business. You can consider yourself a businessman. Every businessman has a business card to present to his prospects as he sees fit. Business cards are essential in marketing and sales. Business cards bring class to the situation and they set you apart from the rest of the competition. When you're out in the field and you're going to give out your business cards to ladies that you feel you're interested in, and this is going to be what you do on the norm. When you meet a lady and you're building rapport, and you're going to ask for her contact information, and in return, you're going to give that business card. Having a business card makes the process very streamlined. If you think about it, if say you're out in the field and you start a conversation and you end up wanting to exchange information, now what do you have to do? You have to start writing down numbers, you have to start trying to remember and things like this. But if you have your business card, then all you have to do is simply hand her your business card. It's a very streamlined and effective way to give your information out. Not only are business cards a great way to quickly hand out your information, but what does it represent? Business cards represent a man with purpose, a man with goals, a man with aspirations, a man that has high hopes and high dreams. I mean, it's built around success. A business card is because you want to be successful at your business. So it only provides positive thoughts and vibes from the women when you're marketing yourself to women. The business card is going to give access to all your points of contact: home phone, cell phone, website, office phone, any type of information or any contact information that's necessary to contact you can be on that card. And this is a great way to make sure that you're covering all your bases so that you can be contacted. Everything's going to be printed, it'll be legible, it'll be accurate, so you don't have to worry about making mistakes, writing the wrong number down, leaving out the area code or anything, leaving out a dot or a underscore in an email address or something like that. So it'll streamline the whole process and make things a lot more effective for you in the long run. Women want a man who has a reason to wake up in the morning. We're talking about a man that has purpose, a man that has aspirations, a man that has a positive mindset, a man that has goals. When you have a business card, this represents all of those things, and it sits very well in the minds of the ladies that you encounter when you're out in the field. Your card represents and states your purpose, it states your aspirations, it states your willingness to be successful and your commitment to success. And this is just huge in first impressions. In addition to representing a person with high aspirations, goals, and obvious purpose, business cards are also great conversation starters. Business cards usually have a picture, usually has what business or industry you're in, and these types of things strikes people's attention. You know, when you give a card away, the first thing most people will do is look at the card, read the card, and ask a question or two. And this is great for you because it serves as a conversation starter, an icebreaker, and you can therefore proceed to converse and ask questions and probe yourself and back that up with obvious self-disclosure and just build a great conversation around that initial act of giving out the business card. Business cards also give a sense of VIP, very important person, and prestige. It sounds way better, it sounds way more awesome when you say, here's my card, than it does when you say, hold on, let me get a pen and write that down. Or hold on, can you put that in my phone? You're way more awesome. You just give off way better impression if you can hand a card and say, here's my card, give me a call. Your business card is your brand, and perception is reality. And when someone gets the perception that you are about your business, you are a provider, you are a very important person, you have prestige, just based off of how your card looks and how you carry yourself and your confidence, this is going to help you in the long run to market yourself better to women. The perception becomes your brand. What they perceive from looking at your card becomes your brand. And as you give out these cards on a daily basis, you are building your brand. So what you need to figure out first and foremost is, what do you want your brand to be? How do you want to be branded? What does that look like? Then you want to create a business card that supports what you want your brand to be, what that looks like, and the perception that you want to create when you hand your card out. So in conclusion, make your card work for you, make your brand work for you, and design a business card that is going to serve as a catalyst to your dating success. I am CA The Life, reviewing The Life, how to market yourself to women for more dating success. If you want our free digital download, give us an email. The email is below. We'll be happy to reach out to you and send you that free digital download. Much success in the field. CA The Life signing out. Peace. Marketing yourself to women is big business. You can consider yourself a businessman. Every businessman has a business card.